This primer is so matte. I love using it on my skin. The oil control lasts all day long. It feels great. I love Studio Radiance foundation because it gives me a beautiful, sheer, natural coverage. I love this natural, sheer radiance. Dab, dab, dab. It's blending very nicely. The dark circles are gone. I love my glow play and So Natural. It's like a trampoline. I'm just gonna tap this on the high points of my cheeks. I'm gonna use this brush to blend it out. Look how cool that is. Just putting this nice taupe on my crease. Blends so softly. Look at that. Yay! All right, let's grab this pretty gold. I'll just tap it in the middle of my eye. I'm golden. Look at that. Eyeliner time. I'll use this angled brush to do my waterline. The liner goes on so smoothly and perfectly. It's so easy to line my lips with it. I'm gonna finish this off with Step Right Up. I'm gonna apply it to the high points of my cheeks. And I'm gonna swipe up while I'm applying it. And that's how you get a 90s inspired glam look.